Hello everyone. In the previous class we have solved some exercise problem, right? In this class also we are going to solve some exercise problems. See here the first question. Show that the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to mod x is neither 1 nor onto. We have to show that the given function is neither 1 nor onto with mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod x is minus x if x is negative. Okay, for modulus function the condition is what? In the previous year you have studied, right? Then f of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, positive value, right? Minus x if x is less than 0. This is the condition of modulus. Now the first one is f is 1 right? F is 1. For 1 condition, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Right? See here, in modulus function, you can take any value. F of x is equal to mod x, right? In modulus function, suppose you take the value of x is 1, within the mod, you will get 1. If you take minus 1, within the modulus minus 1 also you will get 1 only. In mod you take positive or negative value, then you will get positive value only, right? In the same way you take 2 means within the mod you will get 2 only. Minus 2 take means then also you will get positive 2 only, right? So here if I take f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1, then 1 is not equal to minus 1, right? Therefore f is not onto. Sorry, f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1 condition here, right? Then you see here function from a to b, real numbers, right? So 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 or 3.5 something whatever you can take. 0 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 3 4. See here, if I take what the given condition f of x is equal to mod x. I told you if I put 1 then within the mod you will get 1. So 1 is related to 1. And then if you put minus 1 then also within the mod you will get positive only 1. See here. In 1 condition, no two elements having the same image, right? In fact, this is many one function. If more than one element having same image, then it is many one function. In 1 function, each element of set A has some unique or different image in set B. But here, two elements having the same image. So this is not 1 function. Okay. Next, we check for onto function. F is onto. Onto means directly see here. In onto condition here also same, right? If I put 1 means you will get 1, minus 1 means then also you will get 1. In the same way 2 means you will get positive 2 only. If you put negative 2, minus 2, then also in mod minus 2 you will get positive 2 only. But in onto function the condition is what? No element should be left in the codomain. But here only positive value we are considering. Negative value not considering, like minus 1, 0 and minus 2 here left in the codomain, but no element should be left in codomain in onto, right? But here the negative value we are not considering in codomain, only positive value we are taking in codomain. So here f is not onto, right? Therefore f is not onto. In onto the condition is what? Range should be equal to codomain, but here many elements left in codomain, so f is not onto here. Okay, the next problem. The next question is show that the sin function f from R to R real numbers, right? Given by f of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0 is neither 1 nor onto. We have to show that. This is the sin function condition, right? Means here you can take any value 1.5, 2, 3 like that, greater than 0, then x is 1. The next value is 1 only. Okay. If you put x is equal to 0, then the value is 0 only. Okay. I will write here x is, that is 1. Okay. Greater than 0, that is 1. Equal to 0 means 0 only. If x is less than 1, that is minus 1. Means you take any value less than 1. Okay. Means minus 1, minus 2 like that negative numbers. Then you will get minus 1 only. If x is greater than 0, all the numbers greater than 0 means you will get positive 1. If x is equal to 0 means 0. If x is less than 1 means you will get minus 1 value. Okay. Now we show that function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Okay. First f is 1, 1. F is 1, 1. The condition is f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Right. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If I take f of 2 is equal to, I will get 1. Why? Because it is x is greater than 0. Then I will get 1 only. If f of 3 I will take means this is also 1. Why? Because x is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means it is equal to 1 only. See here, then f of 2 I will take is equal to f of 3. But you see here, 2 is not equal to 3 here. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. Not 1, 1. Okay. Then f is on 2. Therefore, next is f is on. For onto condition, you see here, function 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, here positive values 3, 4. And here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our function a to b. You see here, if x is greater than 0, means any value greater than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be, greater than 0, it is all related to positive 1. Positive 1. Okay. Whatever value x is greater than 0, that is all related to 1. X is equal to 0 means 0 is related to 0. Okay. If x is less than 0, 0 less than 0 means you take any value minus 4, minus 2, it's all related to negative minus 1. Okay. Here in codomain, we are using only 3 values, minus 1, 0, 1. X is greater than 0 means related to 1. X is equal to 0 means 0. X is less than 1 means it's all value related to minus 1 only. So here, can I say more than one element having the same image here. So this is not 1, 1 function. Okay. And you see here in onto condition, except 3 elements, minus 1, 0, 1. No other elements are related to any image here. So in codomain, many elements left except only 3 elements we have used in codomain. So f is also not onto here. Therefore, f is not onto. Okay. Your range is not equal to codomain and many elements left in codomain. So f is not onto. Okay. The next problem. Let A 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. And let f is equal to function 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Already they given the function. Be a function from A to B. We have to show that f is 1, 1. Okay. See here. Then from function, I will take A set. Okay. This is our function, right? And B set. In A set, they have given the functions what? 1, 2, 3. In B set, they given 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Already they given function related. Right? 1 is related to 4 and 2 is related to 5. 3 is related to 6. This is our function. Right? We have to show that f is 1. See here. Of course, it is 1, 1 because all the elements of set A has some different or unique image in set B. This is what? 1, 1 function. So therefore, f is 1, 1. Okay. The next problem, 3 minus For one condition, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. What they given for f of x? F of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Then in place of x I am putting x1. Then f of x1 is equal to 3 minus 4x1. In the same way, in place of x I am putting x2. Then f of x2 is equal to 3 minus 4x2. Now f of x1 and f of x2 substitute value here. Then what you will get? 3 minus 4x1. And for f of x2, 3 minus 4x2. Now see here, 3 get cancelled and minus 4 also get cancelled. Then remaining is x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. Okay, now we take it for onto. F is onto. The condition is what? F of x is equal to 1. Right? Then f of x means what they given? 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Now we have to find the value of x here, right? So 4x is equal to what you will get? 4x, if I take here means here only 4x is equal to 3 minus y, right? Then the value of x is 3 minus y by 4. It belongs to what? Real number, right? Now substitute this x value in f of x. F of x is equal to 3 minus 4x, right? In place of x we have to substitute this value. Then 3 minus 4, x means what? 3 minus y by 4, right? Okay. Then 4 get cancelled, plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, and here minus of minus y is plus y. So f of x is equal to y. This is onto condition, right? Therefore, f is onto. We have therefore f, the condition f is 1 and onto means of course this is bijective. Therefore, f is bijective. The condition both 1 and onto satisfies this is what? Bijective. Okay. The next problem. The next question is, let set A is equal to real numbers excluding 3 and set B is equal to real number excluding 1. Consider the function f from A to B defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3 is f is 1 and onto we have to check here. Okay. Then see here what they given f of x. F of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Why here they given real numbers excluding 3 means see here, if I put the value of x, for x I will put the value 3 means what you will get? 3 minus 3, that is 0. The denominator is 0 means what happens? It is undefined term. So here they told real numbers except 3. Okay, now we find f is 1 first. For condition f is 1 f of x1 is equal to f of x2, right? X for x what they given? X minus 2, x minus 3. In place of x1 I am putting x1 minus 2, x1 minus 3. Okay, x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3. In the same way for x2, x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Now x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. Now multiply the terms. Multiply the terms x1 into x2 and next is x1 in minus 3x1 and next is minus 2 into x2 that is minus 2x2. Then minus 2 into minus 3 that is plus 6 is equal to minus x2 into x1 that is x1 into x2. Then next is x2 into minus 3 that is minus 3x2. Then minus 2 into x1 that is minus 2x1. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 is plus 6. See here in LHS and RHS x1 into x2 get cancel each other and plus 6 also get cancel each other. The remaining terms is minus and here minus 3x2 minus 2x1. I will take x1 term in LHS. Okay, then 2x1 minus 3x1 is equal to, I will take x2 terms in RHS, so 2x2 minus 3x2. And see here, minus 2x1 minus 3x1 means minus x1 is equal to, here 2x2 minus 3x2 means that is also minus x2. Minus minus get cancelled on both sides. Finally you will get x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1. Now we have to check for f is onto. F is onto. The condition is what? F of x is equal to y. The value of f of x is what they given? X minus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to y. Now multiply the, now x minus 2 into, multiply x into y is xy, and here minus 3y. And then what you will get? X, I will take this xy in LHS, then minus xy is equal to 2 minus 3y. Okay, I will take x common here, then x common 1 minus y is equal to 2 minus 3y. Here I will write x is equal to 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y. Okay, this is the value of x belongs to r minus r excluding 1 here, right? In denominator, in place of y, if I put 1 means 1 minus 1, 0. If the term is, denominator is 0 means the term is undetermined. So we have taken real numbers excluding 1 here. Okay, we get the value of x. Now this x we substitute in f of x. Okay, then f of x is equal to, in place of x we have to substitute this value, right? Then 2 minus 3y, 1 minus y, this is x value. Now minus 2, in denominator also you have to write 2 minus 3y, 1 minus y, minus 3. The next is 2 minus 3y, and here multiply the term minus 2 minus 3y. Next is minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2y divided by 1 minus y. And next here 2 minus 3y, 2 minus 3y, and here minus 3, 1 into 3 is minus 3, and minus 3 into minus y is plus 3y. In denominator 1 minus y. And see here, in numerator plus 2 minus 2 get cancel each other, and here minus 3y plus 3y get cancel each other, and remaining 1 minus y, 1 minus 3 is also cancel each other. Then remaining terms is f of x is equal to minus 3 plus 2y, and here 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. And see here, minus 3y plus 2y is what? Minus y by minus 1, that is equal to y only. Minus minus get cancelled, therefore f of x is equal to what you will get? If minus 1 get cancelled, remaining is y. F of x is y. Therefore f is on, right? Therefore f, both the conditions satisfy. 1 1 and out 2 means what? F is bijective also. F is bijective. Okay, in this class we have solved some exercise problems on types of function, right? In the next class we are going to see the new concept, that is composition of functions. Okay, thank you.